You send chills down my spine.
Today on the DIY Designer, I'm showing you how to style one robe 1,000,000 different ways. We've got draped front dresses and backwards dresses, one shoulder and strapless. We've got wrap front skirts and one shoulder minis, dusters, and tops. Let's do it. Hey guys, what's up? Happy Friday. Oh, I'm so glad that you're here today. It's going to be such a good one. For those of you that are new, my name is Orly Shani and this is the DIY Designer. I do really great DIY fashion and home decor. I release videos every Friday. And today is actually slightly different. I'm going to be doing a styling video today. I'm going to show you guys how you can style like a kimono-style robe or a duster that you have in 1,000,000 different ways. Now, the robe I'm going to be using in this video is my DIY from last week's video. So if this is your first and you didn't catch that, I show you the simplest, most like beginner-friendly tutorial for making your own robe from scratch. It is a great tutorial for beginners. It's super easy, no pattern needed. You literally just like fold your fabric in half and cut these little L's out of it. It's awesome. These are items that you can wear again like as a robe at home, but if you pick the right fabric, you can also wear it out and about. And that's what I'm going to show you today, is all the ways that you can style it. So if you did the DIY, great. I'm gonna show you why it was such a good DIY. And if not, just look in your closet for, maybe you already have like a duster kimono style jacket, or maybe the actual robe you have hanging in your bathroom is gonna do. But that's it. It's really, really fun. So much versatility. I'm just gonna get changed in the room and twist and tie and wrap and show you all the cool ways that you can do it, so you can get the most out of your closet. And if you didn't catch that last DIY, I will put the link down below so you can check it out. Okay. No materials, obviously. It's just your robe, so let's get right into it.
I've been told that the fire's old, and when stars are in light, the weeper, we would know. I've been told that the fire's old, and when stars are in light, the weeper, we would know. As a sliver of your mind, as a sliver of your mind. I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? Uh-oh. And if I fight, will I come to life, calling for all your light, giving all my heart to you? Uh-oh. And I've been falling, I've been lost, and I've been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. I am done. I will stay to find every hidden sign, taking all my roads to you. Uh-oh. I will fight, I will come to life, calling for all your lights, giving my light back to you. Uh-oh. And I've been falling, I've been lost, and I've been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Lie again and tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get a high out of your love. So pitiful. You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your time. Well, I enjoy this bumpy ride. I sure appreciate the lies. I can say my heart is bleeding. Looking at me in the mirror. You never made my body shut down. Body shut down. Without the words, I love you till the end. Without not even trying. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So pitiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get a high out of your love. So pitiful.
Alrighty, well that was it. That's a lot of different ways, and I swear I know there are more that I just like ran out of patience and I was like, I'm done. But there's a million ways, so I hope that you guys will do this. If you do want to make your own from scratch, check out last week's video. So easy, and I hope that if you are new that you'll subscribe to the channel. I release videos every Friday, and I would love you to be here. It would mean so much to me. So that's it. I will see you beautiful people next Friday. I hope you have a great week. Okay, bye.